बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की, बोलो अनंत बलवंत हनुमंत लाल की जय। जय श्री राम एवरीवन, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्रीमन नारायण, हर हर महादेव। वेलकम वंस मोर ऑन मंगलवार टू श्री हनुमंत लाल जी विशेष पूजा एवं संकीर्तन हनुमान चालीसा जप और भगवान श्री रामचरितमानस से श्री राम कथा श्रवण करने का सौभाग्य सबको प्राप्त हो जाते हैं। वेलकम वंस मोर टू आवर ट्यूसडे इवनिंग सत्संग। एज वी प्रिपेयर फॉर भगवान श्री राम कथा, let us offer a few prayers to भगवान श्री रामचंद्र, पवन पुत्र हनुमान जी और सदा शिव शंकर भगवान। श्री राम रामं कामारिसेव्यं भवभयहरणं कालमत्तेभसिंहं योगीन्द्रज्ञानगम्यं गुणनिधिमजितं निर्गुणं निर्विकारं मायातीतं सुरेशं खलवधनिरतं ब्रह्मवृन्दैकदेवं वन्दे कन्दावदातं सरसिजनयनं देवमुर्वीश्वरूपं शङ्खेन्द्वाभमतीव सुन्दरतनुं शार्दूलचर्माम्बरम् कालव्यालकपालभूषणधरं गङ्गाशशाङ्कप्रियं काशीशं कलिकल्मषोधशमनं कल्याणकल्पद्रुवं नौमीत्यं गिरिजापतिं गुणनिधिं शंकर कंदर्पं यो ददाति सतां शंभु कैवल्यमपि दुर्लभं खलानां दण्डकृत्योऽसौ शंकर शंकर शंतनोतु माम्। बोल सदा शिव शंकर भगवान की जय। बोल सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। बोल पवन पुत्र हनुमंत लाल की जय। आज मंगलवार है और प्रति मंगलवार पे मंगल मूर्ति भगवान को हम सब पूजते हैं। We all worship महावीर स्वामी पवन पुत्र on this most important day of Tuesday evening. तो आइए मन वाणी को पावन करने के लिए, as we purify our minds and our voices, let us join and sing to पवन पुत्र हनुमंत लाल जी। मंगल मूर्ति मारुत नंदन सकल अमंगल मूल निकंदन। मंगल मूर्ति मारुति पवन तनय संतन हितकारी, पवन तनय संतन हितकारी, पवन तनय संतन सकल अमंगल मूल निकंदन मंगलमूर्ति मारुति नंदन सकल अमंगल मूल निकंदन। माता पिता गुरु गणपति शारद 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 शिवा समेत शंभो शुक्रनारद शिवा समेत शंभो शुक्रनारद मंगल मूरत मारुति नंदन सकल अमंगल मूल निकंदन मंगल मूर्ति मारुति सकल अमंगल मूल निकंदन। बंदो राम लखन वैदेही बंदो राम लखन वैदेही लखन वैदेही लखन वैदेही ओ लखन वैदेही लखन यह तुलसी की परम स्नेही यह तुलसी की परम स्नेही मंगल मूर्ति मारुति नंदन सकल अमंगल मूल निकंदन मंगल मूर्ति मारुति नंदन सकल अमंगल मूल निकंदन सकल अमंगल सकल अमंगल सकल अमंगल मूल निकंदन। बोल मंगल मूर्ति भगवान की जय। बोलो अनंत बलवंत हनुमंत लाल की जय। एक बार प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री राम
जय श्री राम
जय श्री राम
जय श्री राम
जय जय श्री राम
जय जय श्री राम।
The last time that we read from Sri Ramcharitmanas, Shri Lakshman Bhaiya had just destroyed the invincible son of Ravan, जिसका नाम इंद्रजीत था, मेघनाथ, the one who was so powerful कि रावण को स्वर्ग जाने का आवश्यकता ही नहीं था. Only he had to send his son. और साक्षात देवेंद्र इतना डरते थे इंद्रजीत से that whatever message Rava sent was executed. Such was the power of Indrajit that no one had defeated him except for Lakshman. तुलसीदास जी ने लिखे हैं, बड़े वरदान भी प्राप्त हुआ. He had great blessings from his Kuladevi in spite of all of this. The tapasya, the parishram, the dedication and the power and strength of Lakshmana Bhaiya finally toppled the great son of Ravan. After Indrajita died, so very quickly all of the remaining generals, all of the remaining soldiers of Ravana, they were quickly destroyed in the battlefield. In the day that followed, समझ लीजिए कि एक भी राक्षस नहीं बचा सेना में. कैसे स्थिति बन गई रावण की? Beginning this war with so much arrogance, first he was so sure that no one could cross this ocean. He thought that his golden city of Lanka was protected by this vast Kala Pani. फिर रामचंद्र ने समुद्र को पार किया. Bhagavan Shri Ram crossed the ocean. Not only did he cross the ocean, but he crossed his army as well. Then the battle started. Ravan को पूरा विश्वास था. I have such powerful generals, such powerful warriors. My brother is there, Kumbhakaran. My son is there, Indrajit. One by one, they have all been destroyed. Now, Ravan remains alone with the women of his kul. Only the women remain inside of Lanka. And as Ravan learns about the death of his son Indrajit, Sut vad suna dasanan jab hi, Sut vad suna dasanan jab hi, Murchit bhaye pare hu mahi tab hi, Shri Ram Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Dukit Bayu Lochan Bhari Ava. When Ravana heard that Indrajit had died, Murchit Bayu Pareu Mai Tabahi, Murchit ho gaya. He fainted for some time. And as he came to his senses, he started to cry out for his son. Ha sut santat agyakari, aise putra kahan milega? Where will I ever be able to find another son like this? Agyakari means the type of son who fulfills every single command of his father. पिताजी ने कहा भगवान से लड़ो और भगवान से भी लड़ने गए. सोचिए, imagine having this kind of son. कि आप अधर्म के पक्ष में खड़े हो, standing on the side of unrighteousness. Even then your son refuses to leave your side. भाई ने तो छोड़ दिया. Vibhishan left him and went into the sharan of Bhagavan Shri Ram. Indrajit भी छोड़ सकता था, but he decided to stay with his father. रावण कहते हैं दूसर रहा न बुझ बल दापा, स्वर्ग भूमि तल तपेयु प्रतापा. Such a powerful son. Whenever a father has a son like you, then the father can rest at home and just on the name of his son alone he can rule the entire world. Only he has to say, my son is Indrajit, my son is Meghnad, ya Indrajit aa raha hai, and the entire world begins to shake. पिताजी का नाम लेने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. Many times when you have powerful fathers, they have weak sons because they are used to living in comfort or they never had to struggle for anything. लेकिन रावण को ये सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ कि इतने शक्तिशाली होने के बाद भी ऐसे ही शक्तिशाली पुत्र प्राप्त हुआ. If you are very powerful and your children are very powerful, if you are very wealthy and your children become very wealthy on their own, if you are very famous and without using your name your children become very famous, तो बंधुओं इसको बहुत बड़ा पुण्य समझना चाहिए. This is a very big blessing to have in this world. Otherwise आपके पास जो भी सामर्थ्य है, जो भी शक्ति है, जो भी नाम है, जो भी धन है, आपके संतान उस पर they are 100% dependent on whatever you have to make themselves into anything. Ravana said, ऐसे पुत्र आज तक दुनिया ने देखी नहीं. The world has never seen a son like this, nor will they ever see one again. Mandodari is crying in front of Ravana. Ravana composes himself. Even though he is in grief, he has to console his wife. And he tells her, Devi, jatasya hi dhruvo mrityur, dhruvam janma amritasya cha. Once you are born, you have to die. Our son died at the hands of Nar Narayan. He died in combat. He died with great pride. He died in an honorable way that brought great fame and name to his Khandan, to his Vansh. Do not cry for him. Now he is in a warrior's heaven. Saying these words to Mandodari, Ravana goes to worship Bhagavan Shiva. It is the middle of the night, and in his grief, he does not know who to turn to. So he goes in front of the Shivalingam that he has, and he starts to pray to Bhagavan Shiva. Lage karan vichar puni bahu prakar das sheesh samuji hirde ahirav nahi aayehu jahagiri aayehu jahagiri. Ravana, as he is doing his prayers, as he offers Jal to Bhagavan Shiv, in his mind he is thinking to himself, I am all alone, मैं बिल्कुल अकेला हूँ. ऐसे पल में बंदो, when you feel that you are most alone in this world, in those moments you remember those who you've lost many years before. And Ravana अचानक से रावण को याद आया. बहु प्रकार दशशीष, the one who has 10 heads, as he is thinking only to himself about his entire life, he remembers Samujai Hirday Ahiravan Nahi. He remembers about his long lost son Ahiravan. Ahiravan kaun tha? Not many people know the Leela of Ahiravan, because this Leela is not even in Ramcharitmanas. ये कथा आपको सुनाने के लिए आज मैंने दूसरी रामायण खोला. This is a different Ramayana, one that has been handed down to us by the late Pandit Dhanraj. They used to read Ram Katha from this Ramayana only. And in this Ramayana you have many different Leelas that are not found in Tulsidas Ramayana. Ravana had many sons. But एक दिन उनको ऐसे पुत्र मिला. One day a son was born to him. When his attendants came running to him, they did not shout congratulations. They had fear in their eyes. And they said, Maharaj, आप एक बार आके देखिए कैसे पुत्र पैदा हुआ. Ravana goes to where Mandodari is sitting, and Mandodari bhi chuna nahi chahti hai. She also does not want to touch this baby. Ahiravan was born with 20 snakes wrapped around his body. देख के सबको डर लगा कि ये कैसे बच्चा है. For the first time in his life, even Ravana felt fear. इसलिए नाम पड़ा Ahiravan. Ahiravan means the one whom even Ravana is afraid of. जिससे रावण को भी डर लगता है, उसका नाम है Ahiravan. When Ahiravan saw this terrible looking child, he gave the command to his soldiers, take this child to the corner of the ocean and leave him there to die. His soldiers took Ahiravan and abandoned him at the edge of the ocean. For 1 month, Ahiravan survived with no one to look after him, by picking up small pieces of mitti and drinking the khara pani of the samudra. Can you drink namak pani and survive? If you drink seawater, you will go mad. Ahiravan sips this pani, thoda achman karta hai, and he eats a little bit of mud, and he survives for 1 month. By chance, Rahu Ketu ki Mataji, the mother of Rahu and Ketu, she was passing by there. And she saw this little child. Seeing the snakes wrapped around him, unko dar nahi laga. And she took him in as her own child. She took him back to Patal Lok, where she was raising him. One day Shukracharya ji aaye. Shukracharya matlab Daityacharya, the one who is the guru of the Daityas. And he saw this child playing, and he saw the power in this child. कोई बच्चा सांप के साथ खेल सकता है? Do you know any children that can play with snakes? Ahiravan picks up these snakes and throws them around like they're toys. Shukracharya ji says, Devi, when this child gets older, allow me to take him to... अभी Ahiravan Patal Lok में था, but there are many different loks in that part of the world. And the lok that Shukracharya ji wanted to take Ahiravan was called Vitala Lok. In Vitala Lok, ये सांपों के लोक है. There are many snakes who are there, and only those beings who are very fearless can reside there. There was a Raja living in that place, and when Ahiravan was old enough, Shukracharya ji took him to that place, and he killed that king and he became king of Vitalalok. Ahiravan became the king of Vitalalok and he remained there his entire life. But when he heard the story of his birth, कि हमारे पिताजी ने मुझे देख के ही त्याग दिया, उन्होंने संकल्प किया that I want to become so powerful that one day even my great father Lankapati Ravan, the one who thought that he had no use for me, एक दिन वो स्वयं मुझे पुकारेगा, एक दिन वो स्वयं मुझे बुलाएगा सहायता करने के लिए. One day he will call me to help him. बंधुओं, ये दिन आ गया. That day has finally come. Ravana has not thought about Ahiravan for many, many years. Aaj, today, the image of that child playing with 20 snakes wrapped around his body. रावण ने नेत्र बंद किया और मन में ही अहिरावण को पुकारा. चौपाई. शंकर सेवक अति अनुरागी, सुनु खगेश के बलबागी. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. मंत्राकर्षण जप दश भाला. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. अहिरावण चित दूर पताना. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. बोलो श्री राम जय राम, बोलो श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. शंकर सेवक अति अनुरागी. भगवान शिव की पूजा करते हुए, as he is doing the puja of भगवान शिव, कहते हैं, if there is somebody that you wish to remember you, आपकी इच्छा है कि वो आपको स्मरण करे, तो जिसमें आप शंकर जी की अभिषेक करते हो, इन्हीं की चित्त मन में देखो. While you are doing the abhishek of Bhagavan Shiv, picture their faces in your mind. Think about their name in your mind. और आप जिसको याद कर रहे हो उस समय, वो भी आपको याद करेगा. Ahiravan, seeing his father performing this puja, he appears in front of Ravan. Mantra Karashana Jap Dashamala, seeing Ravana chanting these beautiful prayers to Bhagavan Shiva. Ahiravan भी खुश हो गए कि आज पिताजी ने पूजा करते समय मुझे याद किया. Calling me in front of him while he is doing this puja. Ahiravan was also doing tapasya. Ahiravan was the great Devi of Kali Devi, the great devotee of Kali Devi. He used to perform Divya Anushtan. बहुत बड़ा बड़ा यज्ञ करता था पाताल लोक में, वित्तल योग, all for Mata Kali. So naturally, as he comes into the beautiful mandir of Ravana had built a very beautiful mandir, because Swayam Bhagavan Shiv used to come there every Monday for Ravana to do abhishek. Ahiravan sits in front of his father and he says, Pitaji, kari gani nij asana baithayo. Ravana asks him to sit, and Ahiravan says, Pitaji, aaj kaise yaad aaya? Why have you remembered me today? आज मैं क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ? रावण ने पूरी कथा सुनाई. He started to tell the entire katha from the beginning. कैसे गई शूर्पणखा, how his sister went, how her nose was cut off by Lakshman, how going there to take revenge, he saw the beautiful form of Sitaji and he brought her back to Lanka. Ravan, when he told this entire story, to Ahiravan, then he sat very quietly, waiting for his son to speak. What will you do if someone like Ravana tells you their story? आपसे बहुत निकट भी है, there is somebody close to you, लेकिन इनकी कहानी में केवल धर्म के विरोध है, अधर्म की कहानी सुना रहे हैं. They're telling you only on righteous things. Even if they are your friend, even if they are your family, it is your duty to tell them what is right and what is wrong. Ahiravan speaks to Ravan for the first time. रावण जग नीति प्यारी, करे नीति होए भारी. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. बिना विचारी रारी ठानी. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. कीन्ह सेन कुल सर्वस हानि. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. ओ श्री राम जय राम, जय राम, जय जय राम. सुन रावण जग नीति प्यारी. अहिरावण से पिताजी, इस विश्व में सबको नीति बहुत प्रिय है. Only when it is in their situation. मतलब everyone likes for there to be justice. किसी को अनीति पसंद नहीं अपने जीवन में. Everybody wants things to be fair. Everybody wants things to be just. अहिरावण says, पिताजी, करे अनीति होई भय भारी. और जो अनीति करता है, इनके जीवन में सदा भय रहता है. Whoever performs aniti, whoever performs injustice, whoever does something wrong, then their life is always filled with fear. पिताजी क्षमा कीजिए, लेकिन आज आपके जीवन में भय है, क्योंकि आपने अनीति की. You have done something wrong. That is why today in your life you are alone. Not only are you alone, but you have fear of losing this city, of losing your life, of losing everything that you have built. बिना बिचारी साड़ी तुम ठानी, कीन सेन कुल सर्व सहानी. पिताजी, आपने तो ऐसा अनीति की, कीन सेन, your entire army, कुल, your entire family, सर्व सहानी, आपका सब कुछ गया. बंधुओं, पाप ऐसा मत करो कि पूरा परिवार खत्म हो गया. Never do anything so wrong that it brings a श्राप on top of your entire family. केवल आपको नहीं, सबको भोगना पड़ा. रावण ने ऐसा ही किया. इन महाभारत दुर्योधन ऐसा दुष्ट पुत्र निकला. Because of the actions of one bad son, the entire family had to feel pain. Ahiravan says, Pitaji, now you have called me in this desperate moment. What are you asking me to do? I cannot save you. You are the one who has taken Sita ji from Ramachandra. My only advice, Turant Janaki ko wapas de do. Return Janaki ji to Bhagavan Shri Ram. Chaupai. प्रताप प्रभाव ने जानियो. श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम. सब तेवर ते लघु करमान. श्री राम जय राम, राम 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 सिया राम. राम यश पूरण निश्चर कुल ले हो।
श्री राम जय राम 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 सिया राम।
सभी लोग प्रेम से गाओ, बोलो राम 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 सिया राम, राम 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 सिया राम, बोलो राम 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 सिया राम। रावण ने कहा पुत्र मैं सब कुछ कर सकता हूं लेकिन ये नहीं कर सकता हूं। I can do everything but I cannot return Janaki ji to Sri Ram. Give me another answer. I have called you here for your help. You are a very powerful warrior. From the king of Vitalalok, you became the king of Patalalok. Kuch to karo. Ahiravan says, Pitaji, no one can defeat Sri Ram or Lakshman in equal combat. But I have weapons that they have never seen. I have all of the powerful snakes and I have all of their poison with me. मैं ऐसा करूंगा, मैं पाताल देवही बलि देहो. I am going to perform a massive अनुष्ठान to काली देवी in पातालोक. और बलिदान के लिए मैं राम और लक्ष्मण को ले जाऊंगा. I will poison them so that they cannot move. And while they are sleeping in this state, I will take them to Patal and I will offer them to the goddess Kali. यश पूरन निश्चर कुल ले हो. ऐसे अनुष्ठान करके, ऐसे बलि चढ़ा करके हमारे पूरा परिवार को यश मिलेगी. सुन करके रावण प्रसन्न हो गए, बोले पुत्र क्या ये काम कर सकते हो? अहिरावण ने कहा पिताजी मैं मायापति बन गया. आई हैव मेनी डिफरेंट पावर्स ऑफ इल्यूजन. अभी चलता हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू गो इनटू द कैंप ऑफ राम और लक्ष्मण एंड इन द कवर ऑफ डार्कनेस I will steal them away and take them into Patal. किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा. And by the time the sun rises tomorrow morning, I will offer them to Mata Kali. ले जे हो तुम जाने हो तब ही रखी सम तेज होई निसी जब ही. श्री राम जय राम. कही यस कवच प्रबोध करी शीश नाये बल भाकी. आये हो रघुपति कटक तब निज देवी उर राखी. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय शरणम. Ahiravan gives his father this promise कि पिताजी the son of the Raghukul, the son of the Surya Vansh will not live to see the sun rise tomorrow morning. मैं तुमको प्रतिज्ञा देता हूँ. Otherwise, if he will live, then I will not live. आप आशीर्वाद दीजिए पिताजी. He asks Ravana for his blessings, and as he gets these blessings, he immediately sets off to go to the camp of Bhagavan Shri Ram. Devotees, Ahiravan was a very powerful Rakshas. अगले मंगलवार and for the next maybe 2 मंगलवार, बड़े विस्तार रूप से the कथा of Ahiravan we will bring to you from Sri Ramcharitamanas. How he will go to the camp of Bhagavan Sri Ram and how he will successfully take them to Patal. Or Hanumanji will have to go and save Bhagavan Sri Ram. And on this journey, Hanumanji will meet someone very special that Hanumanji did not even know existed. For those of you who know the Katha, you know what to expect. For those of you who do not know, you must come and listen in person. After we read this Katha and we will conclude Lanka Kand, then we will go back to the beginning of the Leela of Hanumanji, which begins in Kishkinda Kand. And then it will probably take us another 2 years to reach to the end of this point of Lanka Kand. So this Katha that is being read to you every Tuesday, we are reading in a series. And we are seeing that it takes almost 2 years to complete from Sundar Kand to Lanka Kand. So maybe it will take 2.5 years once we start from Kishkinda Kand. क्योंकि किष्किंधा कांड में भी बहुत अद्भुत सुंदर लीलाएं हैं. बोल पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय. कथा को विश्राम करने के लिए As we conclude our katha this evening, let us offer one more bhajan to Bhagavan Shri Ramachandra. Everyone please join and sing. सभी लोग मिलकर के गाइए as we all sing the name of Bhagavan Shri Ram. He Ram, He Ram, मेरे मन राम बसे. मेरे मन राम बसे, मेरे मन श्याम बसे, मेरे मन राम बसे. मेरे मन राम बसे. राम नाम जप कीजे प्राणी, राम नाम जप कीजे प्राणी, राम नाम जप कीजे प्राणी, राम नाम जप कीजे प्राणी. कोटिक पाप कटे, कोटिक पाप कटे, मेरे मन राम बसे. मेरे मन राम बसे. राम रतन धन पायो, रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो. जन्म जन्म की हाथ जो पुरानी, जन्म जन्म की नाम ही लेत कटे, नाम ही लेत कटे, मेरे मन राम बसे. मेरा मेरे मन राम बसे. राम 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 बोलो, राम राम राम, प्यारे राम 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 बोलो, राम राम राम. सभी लोग प्रेम से गाओ. राम 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 बोलो, राम राम राम. ओ भजमन राम 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 बोलो, राम राम राम. 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 ओ राम 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 बोलो, राम राम राम. ओ राम 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 बोलो, राम राम राम. बोलिए सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय.